In today's video I'm going to show you how to find the best Airdna promo codes. This is pretty simple, so let's jump right into it. First of all, go to your web browser and you'll have to search for Airdna discount code. Right here select this website which is called couponbirds.com and open it. As you can see, we have some promo codes right here that we can use to get some special discounts. So for example, if you want to get this one with 20% discount, all you need to do is simply tap on that promotion and the promo code will show up right here. You can tap on the copy button to copy the promo code and use it on your next order so that you can get the discount. Also, going back to our main search right here, we have this website which is called retrieve.com, and as you can see right here we also have some promo codes. For example, we have this one with 10% discount. If you want to use this promo code, simply tap right here where it says copy code, and this is the promo code right here. You can copy the promo code and you can apply this voucher on your next purchase to get that 10% discount. So this is all for today. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye bye.